Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most iconic vehicles in the automotive world, the BMW 3 Series. Renowned for its blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, the 3 Series isn't just a car, it's a legacy. Whether you're considering it for your next daily driver, curious about its ownership costs, or simply exploring the heritage of this legendary sports sedan, we've got everything you need to know. From financing, insurance, and maintenance, to tech, design, and depreciation in the US, this comprehensive review is your one-stop guide to understanding what it really means to own a BMW 3 Series in 2025. For over 4 decades, the BMW 3 Series has been the gold standard for entry-level luxury sedans. It balances power with poise, comfort with connectivity, and driving excitement with daily usability. From the E21 of the late 1970s to the high-tech G20 models rolling off today's production lines, the 3 Series has evolved while staying true to its core promise, delivering the ultimate driving machine. It's no wonder that it remains one of BMW's best-selling and most awarded models, especially in the US market. Let's begin by exploring what makes the BMW 3 Series so special. The current G20 generation, which debuted in 2019 and has been refined through 2025, offers a wide range of trims and powertrains. From the fuel-efficient 330i to the performance-driven M340i and even the plug-in hybrid 330e, there's a 3 Series for nearly every kind of American driver. Under the hood of the 330i, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This allows for a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5.6 seconds, brisk enough to keep your heart pumping without sacrificing efficiency. For those who crave more adrenaline, the M340i brings a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine to the table, delivering 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 4.1 seconds, the M340i is a sleeper sports sedan with the composure to handle both the track and the freeway. And if you're leaning towards sustainability, the 330e combines electric power with a gasoline engine, offering up to 22 miles of all-electric range and seamless hybrid functionality, perfect for commuting in US cities like Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York. Performance is only part of the story. The BMW 3 Series continues to impress with its chassis dynamics. The near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, rear-wheel drive architecture with X-Drive all-wheel drive available, and finely tuned suspension give it that distinctive BMW road feel, tight, controlled, yet incredibly comfortable. Whether you're navigating canyon roads, daily commuting, or cruising cross-country, the 3 Series strikes a masterful balance between driver engagement and passenger comfort. From a design standpoint, the 3 Series exudes understated elegance. The sleek lines, aggressive kidney grills, LED headlights, and athletic stance make a bold impression without being ostentatious. The 2025 models bring refined exterior elements, including updated front fascia designs, sharper taillights, and optional M Sport styling that gives the sedan a more muscular presence. Inside, BM's focus on the driver remains intact. The cockpit features a large curved display with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster powered by BMW's iDrive 8.5 software, intuitive, responsive, and customizable. Materials throughout the cabin are top-notch, with available leather, real wood or aluminum trim, ambient lighting, and ergonomic controls. Even the base 330i feels upscale, while M Sport packages elevate the experience with unique stitching, sport seats, and M-branded finishes. Rear passenger space is generous, and trunk space sits at 17 cubic feet, more than enough for daily life or weekend getaways. Let's shift gears and talk about ownership in the US, what it costs to actually live with a BMW 3 Series. First up is financing. As of 2025, the average price of a new BMW 3 Series ranges between $46,000 and $62,000 depending on trim and options. Financing through BMW Financial Services or third-party lenders like Capital One, Chase, or credit unions offers a variety of APR options. With a credit score above 700, you can expect interest rates from 3.9% to 5.5%. On a $50,000 loan with a 60-month term and a $5,000 down payment, monthly payments hover around $850–$920, depending on the lender and credit profile. Insurance is another major factor. Because the BMW 3 Series is classified as a luxury sports sedan, premiums are higher than average sedans but lower than exotic vehicles. Full coverage insurance typically ranges from $1,800 to $2,900 annually for drivers aged 30 to 50 with clean driving records. States like Michigan, New York, and Florida see higher premiums due to traffic density and repair costs, while states like Ohio, Oregon, and Washington tend to be more affordable. Companies like Progressive, State Farm, and Geico offer luxury-specific plans, often with bundling or safe driver discounts. Maintenance and reliability are also critical points for potential buyers. BMW offers a standard 3-year, 36,000-mile maintenance plan that covers oil changes, brake fluid, spark plugs, and cabin air filters. After that, routine servicing averages between $800 and $1,200 per year depending on the trim. Independent shops specializing in BMWs can lower costs compared to dealerships, but genuine parts and advanced diagnostics do mean higher labor costs. Common wear items like brake pads or tires can be expensive, especially on the M340i with performance tires or upgraded brakes. Extended warranties and prepaid maintenance plans are advisable for peace of mind. But how does the 3 Series hold up in terms of depreciation? Fortunately, the BMW 3 Series has a relatively strong resale value among German luxury cars. According to Kelley Blue Book and CARZ, the average 3 Series retains about 48% of its value after 5 years, better than Audi's A4 and slightly behind Lexus's models. Trims like the 330i with modest options see less depreciation, while heavily optioned M340i models may lose value faster and less in mint condition. Leasing is popular for this reason. You enjoy the car during its best years and return it before major depreciation or repairs set in. Lease deals often start around $589 per month with around $5,000 down depending on credit score and mileage cap. The plug-in hybrid 330e presents an interesting option for U.S. buyers due to federal and state EV incentives. While it's not a full electric vehicle, the 330e can qualify for tax credits of up to $5,836 under Section 30D of the IRS tax code, depending on the battery capacity and buyer eligibility. States like California, New Jersey, and Colorado may also offer rebates or HOV lane access, making the 330e attractive for eco-conscious commuters. Let's not forget technology. The 3 Series is loaded with features designed for both safety and convenience. Standard driver assists include blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. Higher trims or option packages add lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, parking assist, and a surround view camera system. The iDrive 8.5 system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud-based navigation,